Guys, welcome to Mustard Bust. This is the Ryan Trahan Joyride Warped Wrigglers, and we're going to tell you if they're a must
or a bust.
Or a bust. Go ahead and get those open, Phoenix. We've had those for a little while. We got those before Halloween.
Punch flavored. That's what they look like.
Yep, and we've had them, like I said, for a while. I like these, and I'm gonna pop it up on the screen.
Smell it.
I'll pop it up on the screen in a minute. It's gonna have, that's your mustache. It's got it has like 20 of them only has 120 calories. So I love that about Ryan Trahan's candy. It's got 50% less sugar than normal candy. Let's stop talking. Let's start tasting.
Oh my goodness, that is fantastic.
Tastes like I'm drinking like a fruit punch for real. That's good.
How about me? One of my new favorite candies of yours.
That's all I need to taste. I'm good.
I'm gonna get one more.
Definitely got a good fruit punch flavor to it. And a little bit of a sourness. It's got that stickiness to it, just like a good gummy worm. That's fantastic. That is amazing.
I see no problems with these.
Nothing. No bad aftertaste. It tastes like it's like got a ton of sugar in it.
And it's got a good source of fiber too.
Good source of fiber?
Yeah, there's a lot of good things in here. There's
calcium.
No artificial sweeteners, no synthetic colors or flavors, which means there's no artificial colors or any of that.
That's right. That's right. Well, you hear our dog Maya. We got the window open and Maya's decided to bark behind us. So, all right, I'm going to give that a rating. For me, that's a must. That's actually a 100 for me. That is perfect.
I super duper agree with you. The only thing that was missing, there should be a little bit more flavors in the bag than just fruit punch, but this tastes absolutely amazing.
So what's your rating?
If there's like some more flavors, then that would be better. Like an orange one, that would be pretty cool. But my rating is 100 too. I think this is a very solid candy, and hopefully he releases them back again.
I like it. Sounds good to me. Thanks for watching Mustard Bust. We'll see you
in the next one. Peace.